a mild winter. Welcome to my session. I am your colleague, but today I am your trainer, and Abu Jahid, teacher and coordinator of Xebec Model School. Today, I want to take the session entitled Job Description of Class Teacher and Subject Teacher. In front of a very good talented guys. So if there is any mistake, you must look at forgiveness with a good eye. As a class teacher, we have a proper job description, you know. So at first I want to define what is job description. Job description is nothing but a good written tool that explain you the task or duties or responsibilities of the position. I repeat, a useful written tool that explain the task or duties and responsibilities of a position. So our position is a teacher. We are class teacher or subject teacher. We have some job description. The most important thing is that we must have some sites so that we can develop our professional career. So there is a just little side I will handle. You know, you can see I have made this plan. Job description of class teacher and subject teacher. I categorize it. Not only me. It have been categorized in your training file. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will take this session and I will make a group. Group number 1, 2, 3, 4. Group number 1 will discuss this, do this, 3 this and 4 this. So there is, I have some 3 objectives of this session. 1. Today's 3 objectives. Number 1, to remember the duties of a teacher. To remember the duties of a teacher. Number 2, to read the training file. Very easy. To read the training file. Number 3, how we can arrange an activity by participatory method. Number 3 is what? How we can arrange an activity or do an activity by participatory method. So please, someone repeat these 3 objectives. Can you? Who? Number 1 is to remember. No, I just mentioned 3 objectives. Number 1 was to remember the duties of teacher. Number 2, number 3, how we can arrange an activity by participatory method. So I have categorized my session into 3 parts. First one is warm-up session, and second one is group discussion. I mean regarding professional development. And number 3 is the main part. You will handle. So please stand up for warm-up session. Section what to do later, just you. It is important to concentrate towards me, what I am telling. You just repeat what I say, you just say. What I say, you will say. So, I just telling some adjectives. A for adorable. A for adorable. Angry. Artificial. Adaptable. Amazing. Again, A for adorable. Angry. Artificial. Adaptable. Amazing. Okay. B for beautiful. Blue. Beneficial. Bitter. Broken. Again. B for beautiful. Blue. Beneficial. Bitter. Broken. C for cloudy. Cordial. Circular. Careless. Costly. I repeat. C for cloudy, cordial, circular, careless, costly. D for decent, dry, defensive, barest, dishonest. Again, D for decent, dry, defensive, barest, dishonest. Okay, now count A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D from you. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B. Make a group discussion and write those 5 adjectives to later. 1 minute. No, what I said. 1 minute. Very good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Time up. Very good. B group leader. Position is group D. Less than them. First session is done. Now second session, professional development. It's also a good discussion. Take you training file. Training Saturday 9 points. Professional development. Job description, professional development, Okay, instruction is 2 minutes. Just read it out silently. Everyone, read it out silently. 2 minutes. Which point is focused by this line? Just match. Don't write anything, just match and you present later. Just
Okay, first of all, my topic is administrative and managerial. Okay, responsibilities. Now, presenters are, it's me, Tanzina Mahbub. I am the presenter of this group. Okay, my trade, managerial and administrative responsibilities are follow the chain of command. We have to follow our chain of command. We have bottom to top one chain of command, principal to guard. Okay, so we have to maintain our.
Sheila Akhtar. We are the group member of group 2. Now our topic is teaching, learning and application. So the first topic is read the text appropriately. Every teacher should read the text appropriately and ensure our students to read this topic. And number 3, we also preserve our teaching aids. And third topic is English and Bengali and writing.
And trainer, this is me, Nargis Akhtar. Okay, the name of our topic is examination and assessment of the students. So we have to follow some rules for taking examination and assessment of the student. Number 1, make the question by following the instructions. We have to make the question by following some instructions. Number 2, evaluate the question properly. Answer is as per and direct by Xebec Model School. Number 3, take listening and speaking test. We have to take some listening and speaking test.
You all know that school is open during Hortal and other natural calamities. 2 teachers will never be permitted to take leave in the same day from the same slot. 4 months maternity and 10 days paternity leave is available there. The second topic was classroom management. Number 1, decorate your classroom with poster, rules, chart and activity. Number 2, ensure 100% use of IAS as an assistant of the teacher. And number 5, establish good working relationship. We think challenging one is the number 4, because we don't have enough lab facilities, computer lab facilities, and our computers are not working properly. So number 4 is challenging too. Thank you.
I am very happy for today's session because it is very important for us, as every teacher will give, every teacher give very nicely. So thank you for all.
Okay, that's all for today.